Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show how file from one source can be imported and exported to another source with the help of import-export wizard of SQL Server Management Studio. I appreciate for any comments and will answer if there are any questions. So let's go to Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So to go to import-export wizard, now we have two ways to go there. One is we can go through the download file path, and one we can go through the help of the uh, database or maybe the table too. So now click on the database. I'm going to import that data and export to here. So how I'm going to do this one? So click on there and click on the click on right side. We go to the tags, and here are importing tools. One is called import flat file, one is called import data. So if we have a flat file, we can click over here, or if we have other kind of file, we can click over here. Right now, we are importing Excel files, so click on import data. Now we reached on import export wizard. Now click on next. It asks for the data sources. So my data is Excel. So I click over here. We have different kind of sources over here. So let's click on Excel. Then it asks for a file path. Click on browse. The file is already in the desktop. The name of the file is customer. So how this file looks like, I will show you before importing. This looks like this. ID, name, age, gender, and date of birth. So I'm going to import this data and export to Management Studio. Let's click on data. Click on open. Now it is already in a path. Let's click on next. Here is nothing to do. After then, now it asks for the destination. So my destination is SQL Server Management Studio, that is in Microsoft OLTP driver. After then, click here, and here is nothing to do. And if we have other database to import and export, then we can click over here and we can select the database. Now click on next because I am exporting to restaurant database. Now here is nothing to do. Click on next. So let's see the preview. How does it look like? So this is the data that we are importing and exporting to SQL Server Management Studio. It asks for the mapping. You can click over here to see the mapping. So in the mapping, what we're gonna do, because the data that we are importing, that is the raw data, but the SQL Server Management Studio always asks the data with like a primary and data types too. So this is the moment that we can select from here, or we can do it later after exporting too. So if we want to do right now, so let's make ID as a primary key. So for the primary key, it should not be nullable. That's why take it out. So ID is just like a data, so it should be not float, it should be integer. So I'm clicking on integer here somewhere. This is the integer. So name is N This is okay. The name is N and the age is also a data, so that we can put in data integer. This is integer over here, and the gender, there is written male or female, so either male M or female yeah. So to select only particular alphabet, we can select char, and that char is over here, uh, char, and date of birth, that is the date, so we can choose the data type date. So the primary data is shouldn't be nullable, and other data can be nullable, so it's okay. And we can choose the data size over here. The age, actually it is not going to here, so this is fine. And once again, we can choose this data type over here or after uploading the data into SQL Server Management Studio. So we already fixed here. Let's go to OK. click on OK. The mapping is done. Preview is already done. So click on next. Okay. Now we are over here. Everything is fine. Nothing to do. So let's go to next. Then it asks for the run. Yes. Or if you want to save, we can click on the save too. So we can click on the next or maybe finish. So let's see next. What does it look like? Is there nothing? Let's finish it. So this means everything is success and 4 rows transferred. That means we are good. If you want to see the report, we can click over here. Otherwise, we can close it. So the our data is already exported to Management Studio, and it is in table form. And let's see. So before going there, first of all, I'm going to show over here. This is the table. There is nothing over here. So refresh it. Now the table is here. So that our data is over here. The name of the file is sit1 and let's see this is the same data or the different one. Select top 100,000 actually. So same data is uploaded to here. I mean exported to here. In this way, the data can be imported from one source and exported to some other sources. And if we want to change up the name of this file, I mean the table, then we can right click over there and we can rename it. The name of the table before it was the customer, so I can make it customer table. Now the name of the table is customer. In this way, we can import the file from one source and export to it where we want. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate for any comments, and of course I will answer if there are any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.